Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got another recipe for you, a super simple, it's pretty low calorie, high protein chili turkey. So with this, what we're gonna do is some 93% lean ground turkey. We've also got some corns, we've got some kidney beans, we've got some black beans, we've got some green chilies as well, in addition to some diced tomatoes, some garlic already chopped, ready to go, olive oil, we got some flavoring seasoning packets, so we don't even have to deal with the different seasonings. And then bell pepper and onion. Let's get this one rolling. To start making this chili recipe, I like to get my vegetables prepped. So get my onion broken down, get those into nice little squares, and then go ahead and break down my bell pepper as well. And then get my corn, my beans drained and rinsed so that it's just pretty much toss in the fry or cooker slow cooker once it's done. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and prep our turkey, get that cooked. Started off with a tablespoon of olive oil and added our chopped onions in addition to a nice spoonful of garlic. Then once that is nice and sauteed, we're going to go ahead and throw in our ground turkey. The taco turkey meat was on sale this week, so I grabbed that. We'll see how that turns out. But once that's cooked, beans, corn are drained and rinsed. We're going to go ahead and throw those in the crock pot. Then we'll add in a can of Rotel tomatoes mixed with some green chilies. I got this chili seasoning powder. It's the first time I'm using it, so we'll see how it works. A little high in sodium, but we're going to give it a shot so we don't have to measure out everything. We transferred over our cooked turkey and onions and garlic into this bowl, mixed it up with the powder and everything else. And then we're going to go ahead and toss in our green peppers, bell peppers as well. So the calories and macro breakdown for this one were about 422 calories, 33 grams of protein, 47 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of fat, giving us also about 15 grams of fiber. So really